The video opens with one young learner demonstrating the clap, clap, stamp scaffolding practice. The sequence becomes more complex when it features using opposite hands and feet and working with a partner. Further complexity is added when the partners face each other. Inhibition control is developed when the learners have to coordinate their involvement with the clap, clap, stamp pattern. The learners then experiment with moving about the space in a random pattern using a variety of different travelling steps. At a moment of their choosing, the learners clap their hands together and then strike a pose which they have to hold for a silent count of 4 seconds. This silent count is not always achieved, demonstrating a lack of inhibition control. The next step asks the learners to strike a second and different pose after their hand clap, while continuing to move around the space in a random pattern using a range of travelling steps. The sequence progresses, so the learners have to move, then clap, then strike their first and second poses. The learners are then asked to add a bridging movement between the 2 poses that encourages a smooth transition from one to the other. This progression asks for a degree of creativity from the learners. At this point, the learners are engaged in teaching their movement sequences to their partner. This is a clear demonstration of active learning with experimentation, discussion, feedback, creativity, and change all being evidenced. The sequences that make up the final performances include the poses and the bridging movements from both partners being incorporated into a single dance. The partners use each other's actions and the internal time count introduced at the beginning of the session to establish the rhythm and timing of their dance.